Hi everyone, welcome to Programming School. Today I am coming with one program. Just I am going to explain the scenario of this program and then I am going to write the code of this. Okay, this is the sample input of the program. This is the sample input of the program. This is size of the array and the next elements are elements in the array and there are two values, that is A and B. Okay, and the output is going to be like this. These two values are A and B. That means these representing index values in the array here. That means this is zero based indexing. This is 0, 1, 2, right? This is the index 2. This is index 3, 4 and 5. That means from index 2, that is going to be element 10 and index 5 is element 10. Then we have to reverse the elements from A to B. That means this is the index position, right? We have to reverse from index position 2 to index position 5. That's it. That means that's why the output is going to be 11, 2, 4 and 10. Just observe at this 11, 2, 4 and 10. The before values and after the values are not changing at all. The middle values, what they are giving here, position A and position 5, from position A to position 5, we have to change, we have to reverse the values. I think the question is clear. For example, one more value is there. For example, the size, the array size is 7. Here there is some 13 is there. That we have to reverse from this position to this position, right? The final value and the before values of these A and B are same. Only in between these 2 to 5 are interchanged here. That are reversed here. Okay, that is the program scenario. Now I am going to write the logic for this. First of all, we have to read the size, that is n is equal to int of input of, and then I am going to read the data here. The data is in the single line, that's why I am going to write list of map of int comma input of dot split of. I'm going to read the total data. Then I'm going to read A comma B values, and these are in a single line again. If it is a single line, again I'm going to write map of int comma input of dot split of. Every time I'm going to write like this. Okay, reading is done. We have to write the logic now, and then I'm going to display the output here. And then for example, between E and B, I'm going to divide the array into 3 parts. I'm going to divide the array into 3 parts. What is that? Before the A, after the A, and between A to B. There are 3 parts always. I'm going to differentiate this one. For example, some R1 is equal to data of colon. I'm going to slice it. This means before A is this one. Then I'm going to write R3 here. R3 is equal to data of B plus 1 colon. Final values, all the values after the B. After the B, I'm going to take like this. Then R2 is equal to data of A2. I'm going to write here A2 B plus 1. That means it is going to copy from A to B here. That's it. Now I am going to reverse it. Just reverse here. I am going to apply reverse. I am going to reverse the values in the R2, and then I am going to write here just simply. I am going to write R1 plus R2 plus R3. That's it. For example, if I am going to execute it, this is the input. This is the input and the output is, just observe here, this is 6, 7 and then 11, 2, 4, 10 and 13 is the answer here. Okay, for example, here I am not going to display the values in a list format, just simply I am going to display the data, right? That's it. That's why I am going to write again at some data is equal to, I am going to write like this. If you want to print the total data, but the data is not in the list format, just simply we have to write star data, that's it, nothing else. If I am going to execute it, with the same input, the output is going to be like this. Just simple. If I am going to execute, There is only 6 elements here. I am going to write only 6 elements. That's it. This is the logic for that. What I am doing here, I am going to divide an array into 3 parts. Here. When we are writing these type of programs in Python, very easily, I am slicing all the 3 parts. First part is before the A, and the last part is after the B, and the second part is in between A to B. And then I am going to reverse A to B, and then I am going to concatenate all the arrays, and I am going to display the data here. That's it. Very simple. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt on that, just comment it. Definitely I will remind you, and I will clear your doubt. No doubt about that. Thank you guys.